Hi everyone, this is Mr. Castro speaking, and in this video I'm going to show you how to log into my virtual office for my online office hours. So once you have a Blackboard Course Sites account, you are going to log into blackboard.coursesites.com. Once again, that is blackboard.coursesites.com. So I'm going to type in my username and my password. Once you are logged into Course Sites, you're going to click on Courses on the left-hand side. And then you are going to access your class. On the left-hand side, you see where it says Office Hours. You are going to click on that. And then you are going to see where it says office hours. Go ahead and click on that. And then on the right hand side, you're going to simply click on where it says join session. And now we are in the virtual office.